Hello, and welcome to the Indian Trails Novelist Plus database. Today, we are going to be learning what Novelist is used for and then how to do a basic and advanced search. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to get to Novelist. You're first going to go to the Indian Trails Public Library website, which is indiantrailslibrary.org. Then you're going to select resources. You can choose either by category or A to Z list. I like to go to A to Z list. I think it is a little bit easier to find. And in alphabetical order, you will go ahead and find Novelist Plus. If you were to choose by category, you'd be able to find Novelist Plus under the reference section. Novelist is a database to find read-alikes for your favorite books, book discussion guides, list of award-winning novels, and more. Read-alikes are books or authors that are similar to books and authors that you read often or books and authors that you have liked in the past. So if you know that you have really enjoyed the book, A Man Called Uva, you can go ahead and put that in the keyword section and then press search. Then you will see here that A Man Called Uva comes up. You see the book title, you see the cover of the book, the author, and then a quick excerpt. And then if you scroll down, you'll see books also by Frederick Backman or other ones that are similar to A Man Called Uva. So you'll also see below that there's title read-alikes and author read-alikes. If you go ahead and click on title read-alikes, you will see that the title comes here, the author, and then the quick excerpt again. And then you'll also see 9 read-alikes below. So you'll see the book that is similar to A Man Called Uva or whatever title that you chose, the author's name, and then how it is similar to A Man Called Uva. And then it goes all the way down until number 9. You're also able to print this sheet, or you're even able to suggest a read alike if you have found something that is similar that is not on this list. You can also find author read alikes, and here it'll have the same exact format of the author, and then it'll have a quick excerpt about the author, and then read alikes, the author, and then how it is similar. And then again, you can print and suggest a read alike if you don't see an author there that is similar to Frederick Backman or whatever author that you chose. You can also click on the title here, and then you'll see that it has more details such as the book appeal terms, genre, themes, the kind of character, tone, writing style, and then Lexile and accelerated reader for those who are in school and are on the Lexile program. You can also go down and you would see reviews. There's also audiobooks that you can see if audiobook formats are available. More about this book, and then lists and articles. You can also search for more books with these similar subject headings. You can look for books to movies and books with a senior man, and maybe books that are also upbeat. And then you'd be able to search. And then it actually looks like A Man Called Uva is the only one with those qualities. So then we'll go ahead and try again. And that does happen often, whereas, if you're looking for something very, very specific, they may not be able to have a book with all those exact titles. So we'll just say books to movies and maybe engaging. This should have more books available. It's a little bit more broad. Okay, so here we go. So we have all of these that are books to movie, and then they are also considered engaging. So this is really nice so that if you're not looking for something specific, but you know what kind of subjects you want to read or what kind of book, you just don't know the title that you want quite yet. You can also do an advanced search. An advanced search would be a way that you can do an initial search. You can choose and or not. So if there was something that you definitely did not want, or you wanted something that was a thriller or a fantasy, or a thriller but not detective. And then over here is a select field. So you'd be able to even narrow down your search a little bit more if you knew the publication year, if you wanted Kirkus reviews, if you wanted something in a series, so on and so forth. And then below here are even more ways to filter down your options. You can do a publish date. So if you wanted a book that was only in the last 5 years, maybe you wanted books only for adults or teens. Maybe you wanted to make sure that the book was less than 500 pages. There's even more filters all the way down. It gets very specific. You can select a specific author's nationality or a gender identity. You can choose an audiobook, and then you'd be able to search this way. Thank you for attending this Novelist Plus program. If you have any questions, please call the library and someone would be very happy to help you.